love bubbles.
I'll help you. Okay. The picture showed a really little his age, and then it said like 3, 4, and 5. That's really for 3, 4, and 5.
He's tall.
Yeah, I think by 5 you're like,
Yeah.
nah.
By 5, Bobby's gonna have him mowing the grass for real.
Right. This is just
Yeah.
practice.
Yeah.
I wish we had a little bit of love for the vacuum cleaner the way that.
Oh, weed whacker broke. Doesn't
Wiley-
work.
Oh no.
What?
Weed whacker broke.
Oh no. What happened?
It won't. It's battery powered and
It won't charge?
it'll charge, but it won't. When you put the battery in it,
Well,
and
he
you
doesn't know how to walk
push the safety thing,
Mm-hmm.
and then it's like that and that. That's all you do. And
I wonder who fixes them.
nobody.
No? They're like, the kind of vacuum cleaner I have, you just don't want.
Yeah.
They know.
Yeah.
Well, that's,
This one's frustrating though because it's not very old.
No, we only got it's
I know.
maybe a year and a half.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not very old.
We love it.
And you use that nut.
You guys are awesome.
Yeah, the lawn. Like I use the weed whacker for
Like in there.
the sides. Because I mean, you
Look
can
at
use the
your
lawnmower on
crown.
that.
Just grab back up. There you go.
Just lift it up on top of it, and
It
then
looks so
there's like wood in the ground. There's like there's a stump, and then there's like
It looks like they had a border.
yeah,
or something
yeah,
with logs.
yeah, and then there's a metal piece of like a
Do you think it's
something that went to something else, like you know what I'm saying?
sprinkler?
There are some.
No, it's like a
There are some.
it's like a rod. It's not sharp, but the mower you hit it.
Okay, just let it be
Yeah,
still for a minute.
and
Let him
then
just
that's
enjoy
not
the
good.
bubbles too.
So
Fletcher,
and then
look
you
at
can't
me.
get up
Face,
along the.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe move him then. Maybe move him.
No, weed whacker.
Amelia, you can turn off. That's a bunch.
What?
You can turn it off. That's a bunch.
So fun, guys. This is a great present. He's gonna have so much fun with this.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and then when it gets like empty and then no more bubbles come out, you can just pour it in there.
Okay, we will definitely add to it.
I mean, thing is good.
Come
All
on,
right, you
then.
guys look at me. All 3 of you, look at me. Hi.